Okay, yeah. Welcome to this tutorial. This is Shagun Taiwo here. So I will be showing you how to design birthday flyer, amazing birthday flyer using Canva app. So here is the app that we're using, Canva app. So once you've installed the app through uh, Play Store or Apple Store, you open it. If you open blank page, let's start from the beginning so that we'll see here to open this page for us. So the round button at the bottom, this round blue button at the bottom is a cross sign that helps you to start afresh. As you can see, so take it to this size, different sizes of page. So clicking on custom size, tap on custom size. You set your size to 2000 by 2000, and the width 2000, the height 2000. So wait for it to load. So let's go back. I want to show you what we're replicating. The flyer we're replicating. So okay, yeah, we'll be replicating this stunning flyer, amazing flyer. So let's just, the size already is 2000 by 2000, so we'll be using, let me delete this so that we'll just make it of the blank page. Okay, now what we do is, first of all, we're going to impute the background by tapping on this cross sign at the bottom. So it takes you to this area where you get your background. So you tap on elements and come inside here, your search element, you type white satin. So it opens it gives you different samples of satin. So you tap on graphics, CO. So let's just make use of this Edu. So I think this is a paid app. It's a premium app. That's why. So anyway you see this Edu shows us it's a premium tools that we'll be using. So if you don't have, we are not using premium, so you only need to go and download white satin on your Google, from Google. So it helps you to use different samples of white satin to use for your background. So let's go back. So of course I'm using the premium app, that's why I'm able to use this background. So you expand it, increase the font size, increase the size. So once you increase it, we're going to make it transparent. To make it light a little bit, put it at 46. So once you're done, you go back. Let's go and put in our picture, our image I will be using. So you go to upload, you tap on upload, you click on upload files. We have uploading picture afresh. You click on this upload file here. So it takes you to your file manager or your gallery to get the picture you want to use. So we already uploaded the picture that I'll be using, which is this image here that we have here. As you can see, so all I need to do, you can see the picture comes with background, so we have to remove the background so as to remain only the image. So if you are not using this premium app, gives me the ability to remove the background. But if you are not using a premium app, you can go to your browser, Google Chrome or Opera, meaning to you type in remove BG or your browser, so it opens websites that helps you to remove background. So once you are done removing it, you download it to your gallery and upload it on your Canva app. So here I'll be removing it from here since I am using the premium app. So this is the tools that helps you to remove BG, the effect tool. So I tap on it, so it takes me to so you can see BG remover. So I just tap on the BG remover. So hold on for it to instantly. You can see it didn't waste time, so it has removed it. And I crop the watermark on it. So expand expand the picture. So now what I'll be doing now is let's check the, you can see the picture looks more sharp at the bottom, so we need to make it fade. So what we'll be doing now is we go to the cross sign again, type in your search upload, you type in overlay, you search, click on search, so go back to element, overlay, type in overlay, and search. Better still to make it be specific, type white overlay, so that will bring in white back overlay. So white overlay, you see a different type of overlay, so we're using this first one, you see, so rotate it, to be straight. It's not straight yet. Put it there, expand it. What we'll do is I'm going to duplicate it again, so that to make that place fade. Duplicate it. See, it's faded now. So now we're bringing out the, let's see, we're bringing out the happy birthday. So you type happy, go to your cross sign again, type text, add subheading, type happy, maybe a small letter. So once you are done typing, you reduce, let's zoom in, so then we'll change the font, so we'll be using smooth, tap on the font, and smooth fantasy, that's what fantasy, that's the font character, bring it down. So we'll be again, you can decide to duplicate this, copy this. We are going to be changing the font, so let's change the text. So remove it, birthday, put in birth, increase it. Remember the font is different from that, so we'll be using be round for the bits. So let's go check for the fonts. And so there's a font, so change the color to red. It's red, so duplicate it, so once you duplicate the day, type day, increase big to cover, the text. And what we're doing is, notice that there's white line at the edge of the text, so we'll be adding stroke at the edge of the text. So we'll go to effect, as our effect, go to effects, select this style, outline style, so we add an outline to it. So you tap it again to reduce the outline to like 7 or 6, then change the color to white. Let's change the color to white. Select the bed to do the same thing to the beds. Remember, the day is at the front of the bed, so we'll be able to select the day. So what we need to do is just come into layers, tap layers to select the bed. Tap on the bed. It helps us to. So now go to position. So bring it to front. Bring it to front. Tap front so that you can easily select the bed. So we're adding the outline for this one too. So you tap on effect. Tap on outline, tap on it to go to the open dialog box so you can see. So change the white, change it to now. I'm able to achieve that. So what we'll be doing now is, you can see at the edge of we'll be putting this 18th August. So let's put 18th August. First of all, bring out the box, go to elements to give us shape. Tap on all, no graphics. Tap on, you can see this shape, so click on shape. So once you click on shape, you tap on it, then reduce. I'm going to reduce it. Let's reduce it and drag up. Still going to reduce. Let's zoom. I'm going to zoom. Duplicate it, return it to establish on. Go to adjust your distance. Use a nudge. Your nudge helps you to adjust left, up, down, and right. So we change this one to, yes, let's say again, okay, red. Yeah, change it to red. Tap on it and change it to red. So we're able to achieve that. So now we'll be adding our text. Let's tap on duplicate, edit, 18th. So remember, we're going to be changing the text using Montserrat. Let's use Montserrat Classic. Change this one to be a capital letter. H to capital letter. So reduce. So reduce and drag up. Turn it to white. I'm going to change it to white. So there's no waste of time. So now choose a notch to adjust it inside. Change the color to white. So duplicate the text, duplicate the text and place. Use a notch to adjust. So let's go and edit. You edit it. August. Let's adjust the August a little bit towards the right. So the next thing we're achieving is the good shape at the corner. So it's called corner page. It's called corner page. So let's go put it. Let's try the corner page. See, it's corner page. See this. So this is a sample. It's corner page. So you tap on it. Reduce and take it up. take it up, hit enter inside the corner, duplicate it, bring it down, rotate, sorry, let's rotate, bring it down. Let's use a notch tool to adjust. So use a notch tool to adjust up. So when we're done with that, the next thing is we bring out our 3D confetti. So I'll just go to recently used, but I've used it recently, so and search for it here. It should definitely be here. Keep scrolling down, and this is it here. I'll tap on it, comes out, I take it down, reduce. So you can play around with your design, so you can give it a different name once you really achieve this. So what you need to do now is just to type in the name of the celebrant. So I just tap this, duplicate it and bring it down. I'm still going to reduce that. So type, her name is Abosede. Let me just use that name, so bring it down. It's going to edit, there's a mistake in the name, so I'm going to edit the name. This is a name, just as an example. So remember this illustrations at the bottom of, so we can select. I want to bring it down, so I have to just go to layers. Layer section to select whichever shape I want to select. So go to my notch tool to bring it down a little bit. So this is it, perfect. So one is we're going to type our text. Type in our text, but let's change the font so that we can see it clearly. Type the text, so change it to black, then I edit. Wishing you a very happy birthday. So reduce the font size. To reduce font size, instead of you dragging, you can easily come to font size here and reduce. Before we reduce, let's reduce this thing, so reduce. So that is it. So what we have here is, from all of us at Shek Target, I wishing you a very special birthday and a wonderful year ahead. Wishing you a very special birthday and a wonderful year ahead. So let's quickly edit it. Wishing you a very happy birthday and a wonderful year ahead. Very beautiful. So remember, there is something at the top, so what we need to do is still need to reduce these fonts. I'm going to duplicate it, edit from all of us. Alt Shift tab, take that one up, change the font size, change the color to red. You can decide to bold that part. Come here to format and click on bold. So that is it. We're able to achieve this flyer design. So you can play around by adding some little effects, building effects. You can put, say, this as the design I can put just to make it look more beautiful. Reduce it, make it transparent. These are the end of this transparent. So send it to back, position it and send backward of the picture. So that is that. As you can see, very beautiful. So able to achieve that.